solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of your ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Okay, so I just wanted to add a little bit extra to this video because it was just really a very quick unboxing. So I've assembled the strap and you can see the watch now, and I found this watch awesome. I've been using this for a few days and I just wanted to get used to it. You've got 100 different watch faces, which is pretty good, but you can upload your own. When you double click this crown button, you get into the settings and you've got things like a light, you've got for messages, you can adjust your music with this, which is great. You can receive and make phone calls on an Android or an Apple device, which is also great. And overall the quality of it is pretty decent, and for the price you can't really go really wrong with this. It's very affordable, and if you're after a sort of a nice entry-level smartwatch that won't break your bank, I can recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.